Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Today is Monday, the 16th of March. This is my London session recap. So basically, coming into the day, I alerted my Discord that I am bearish for the whole week coming through. I saw that this candle, or these previous candles, kept closing below the previous candles before them. Our daily open candle as well also created a minimal lower candle. So I was thinking, candle wick, sorry. So I was thinking we're likely going to come up into some sort of area of interest. Sorry, mind the hiccups. Whether that's this 4-hour gap here, there's a large 4-hour order block, but I don't really like that so much. But it does work just as nicely with this 1-hour fair value gap in here. I was like, okay, cool. This is potential areas where we can be shorting from. And coming into basically the session as well, I saw that cool, we're breaking up, coming back down, breaking up, coming back down, breaking up. And then I saw that this breakup, the 6 p.m. candle, it pushed into the gap with quite a lot of pressure. And then I looked on the 15-minute and I saw, okay, cool. This looks like this is where Asia highs was, this 545 candle. And then I saw, cool, pump above into the 1-hour gap, sweeping Asia highs as well. So I was like, great. Now I just need to look for my setup. What is my setup exactly? I'll look, there's something else forming right now. So my setup was basically wait for a breaker structure down. So I can see that this was a failed break because we set wick to wick. Then I use the next given low. So then I can see this low, which we had our failed structure on, closed on a strong body close. Then all I needed to wait for was an area of interest to get tested, which I can see my gap here was tested. And I initially wanted to enter with 3 cons. So what would 3 cons have been at order? I wanted to enter with 3 cons, but my account didn't let me. So my stop loss was initially going to be around here, but I had to enter with 2, so it put it back here. So that's fine. My initial stop loss would have been there. It's actually very good that I actually put it here because this is my actual invalidation point, and we could have also come and retested this order block up here. Would it have likely have happened? Probably not. Am I too mad that I put my stop loss up here? Absolutely not at all, because I was just covering more of an area. And if price did come all the way back up here, I would have been cooked anyway, because this is closer to my invalidation point. Realistically, my invalidation point would have been up here, but if we came up here too, I would have been invalidated and happily gotten stopped out. So I usually don't have a break-even criteria. This trade, I did go break-even only because there was an opposing, we had a shared gap right here. We had an opposing 15-minute, 5-minute, and a 30-minute here as well. So I was thinking, look, if we're going to reject off of anywhere, it could potentially be this gap. My next area was this low, so I was thinking, cool, I'm going to just move my stop loss to break even at this gap here. And I today did target a little bit larger than I normally do, just because I've been testing it over the last few days through back tests and live tests. So today I went for 1.1.5, 1 to 1.5. And then where did I move my stop loss to break even? Yeah, so as soon as we cleared these lows right here, I also moved my stop loss to break even. I got a little bit sticky because over here we were failing to break the low, and I was like, all right, cool. Are we going to break it? Are we going to break it? But I was like, there's no area of interest up here above for it to go to. So I was like, cool. Likely chance it's going to break the lows is more than likely. Everything I share here, trades, setups, analysis, is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing on this page is for financial advice, simply educational purposes only. Trading involves significant risks. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose, and always reach out to a financial advisor if you are looking to start trading. Cool. I will see you guys all tomorrow for tomorrow's trade recap, if we take a trade. If you want to watch me trade live, the link is in the bio to join the Blueprint Premium. I called this out in front of my premium members, so I think a few of them caught this with me too. Cool. See you guys then.